Hey guys, how you going? So something a little different today. So we're actually on a completed project and we wanted to show you guys what happens after we've handed over the property. So this particular project's been finished for maybe 12, 14 months now. It's taken us, we've obviously had the Christmas period, it's been a little while to get back here, but we're back here doing basically a maintenance and defects check. So basically 12 months after all of our projects are completed, we get in touch with our clients. While we're doing handover at the end of the job, we ask them to make a list of anything they notice, any type of defects in painting, silicone, or faulty materials, all those types of things. And then 12 months later, unless it's something major like plumbing or electrical, we come straight back. But otherwise, 12 months after we finish the build, we get in touch with them and we come back and we fix any little defects. So yeah, we're back on this project. We've had a walk around this morning, and the project is excellent, and that's a testament to the quality team and the quality trades that we have. So the only things that have really gone wrong with this project, we got a fault with the air conditioning unit, we got a few little painting touch-ups that need to be done, and that's about it. We got a little bit of water rot in some of the old timber on the existing part of the house, which we'll look into what we can do with. But yeah, we just wanted to let you guys know, for anyone that's thinking about building or renovating with us, that's the process and that's what we do. And the reason we do the 12 months is we do very thorough walkthroughs at the end of our projects, but it doesn't matter how thorough you do that walkthrough, you're never going to get everything. So once you've moved into the home and you've had time to live in it and feel it and sit down on your couch and have a good look around, that's when you're going to pick up if there is any sort of defects. And you've also got to get the opportunity to use it and find if there's something faulty or something doesn't work properly. So yeah, and that's what we do. Make a list, come back in 12 months, knock all the defects on the head, and happy days.